Hey guys, on today's segment, I'll show you how to make a creamy chicken marsala. So keep watching. Start by heating a heavy bottom saute pan on high heat for a few minutes. When your pan is hot, you'll begin to see some smoke. At this point, swirl some oil in the pan, reduce heat to medium, add the chicken pieces for at least 3 to 4 minutes until golden brown before turning. If you turn the chicken too soon, you run the risk of having the chicken stick to the pan. The second side of the chicken will only need 3 minutes to cook thoroughly and achieve a golden brown color. Remove and place the chicken on a plate, cover with a foil, and set aside. Now let's begin to make the sauce. Keep the heat on medium and add your minced shallots or onions. Add your mushrooms and begin to stir. Cook and stir the mushrooms for about 5 to 7 minutes until it releases much of its moisture. Once the mushrooms and shallots are cooked, add the garlic. Stir for a minute and then add the Marsala wine. At this point, I'm going to allow the wine to reduce and burn off some of the alcohol. This will take about a few minutes, and when it's almost nearly dry, we can go on to our next step. As an optional step, you can also add a bay leaf before pouring in the cream. Allow the cream to come to a boil, cook for about 3 minutes, and then add some fresh chopped parsley, and you're done.